Hey guys, so next in our lawn care master care series we are looking at what's actually in your lawn, and we're going to start with the obvious one, grass. Show you this. Okay, so first off, there are literally dozens and dozens of types of grass, but they fall into three main categories. So the first one's a bunch of clump-forming grasses. So what they do is the roots go down here, and then you have one clump of grass that grows like that. Doesn't spread, it just grows from one point, and that's how you have it. And then you've got perennial ryegrasses and then tall hard ensuing fescues. So just a couple of examples of what they do. Then we have Stoloniferous. So what you have is one main plant family, so you'll have your main grass that will do its thing and have its own little root system. But then the stolon is actually a little creeper that grows across the top of the ground, sets some roots in, and your little baby grass will grow from it. And then when that's grown up, it'll become a parent. That will set out a little stolon, set in new roots, and your little baby will grow up. So Bermuda grass, St. Augustine's. And then lastly you've got Rhizomatous. So Kentucky bluegrass is a good option of this one. So you've got your main parent plant of your grass, there's little roots, and then this one actually grows underneath the ground, rhizomes. And you get your little baby plant come up, where it sets roots, and then over time that will grow into a parent, and that will send out its own little ones, and that's how that one spreads. And then eventually that will grow up again. So there you have the three main types. So what I'm going to do now, I've been very, very lucky. I've been given permission to let this garden grow. This should have been cut probably 2-3 weeks ago, but I've been very lucky. And most of the rest of the work will be shown on here. So what I'm going to do is, just because I wanted to show you the mass variety of different types of grass you get in even a small urban lawn. So I'm going to go around, have a look at the inflorescence on some of them and just see how different they are. So let's go in and have a look. So as you can see, it's grown quite extensively. There's a lot, but we're going to go in close and have a look. I can't identify grasses by their types, I just don't know, there's just too many. So what I just wanted to do is show you what the different varieties there are. So let's have a look in here. So that, stunning little head for seeds. Put this one here. Lovely hint of purple on there. Oh, it's not wanting to focus. Let's try again. Hold on, it's not going to do it. It's not liking it. There we go. Try again. And then we've got these little shorter ones down here. And then we've got these other little lower ones that haven't really come to anything yet. And then over here, got another different head. Got these other varieties here. So all stunning, stunning looking seed heads on all these grasses. There we go. Got another even tall one over here of another different variety. And in this kind of breezy conditions as well, they sound gorgeous. There's this lovely little movement as the wind blows through. Just that lovely little dance of all the little grass heads, just in a space of 20 square feet, 5, 6, 7 different types of grass, and that's not looking at all the other little lower ones that are in there as well. So next off, what we're going to do is actually do a series of small videos looking at all the other native, naturalized weeds, other bits that are in the lawn as well.